Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you really easy step-by-step how to make these beautiful crystals and seed beads earrings. You could use round beads if you don't have crystals, and I will show you the simple steps, so by the end of this video I'm sure that even if you're a beginner you will be able to make these earrings. They are a match to the necklace that I showed you in one of my previous videos. So if you don't want to miss any of my absolutely free upcoming videos, it's a good idea to subscribe if you still haven't and hit that bell button. In this way, you will be notified when I release new content, and you will be able to make beautiful sets for present or for yourself. You could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And I will promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. And I will link to this necklace here at the eye icon just to be able to see it. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Hey guys, so for this video what I'm using are faceted crystals, or also called roundelles. They are 6 by 8 millimeters, and you could use round beads if you don't have these faceted crystals. And I'm using here ear wires and jump rings, 11/0 seed beads, 8/0 seed beads in the same color. I'm using size 10 beading needle, monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and you could use other beading thread of your choice. I'm using scissors, and I use flat nose pliers to attach my ear wires and to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle that I'm using here. If you use regular beading thread, they are made flat and you won't need to squeeze the thread with your pliers. But now I'm going to take about half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I will start by taking one of my crystals, roundelles. Okay, and I'm going to go with my thread here. I'll leave a small tail, and now I'm going to take 7 seed beads. Okay, I have here my 7, and I will go in circle through this roundel, and I'm holding my tail thread here. Okay, I'm holding it. Okay, now I have this. And now guys, what I want to do is go through all of those beads, still holding my tail thread. Okay, I'm going through all of them. Don't worry, it's loose in this step. We will tighten this up, okay? Now we have this. Okay, I will stick my needle in my mat, and here I want to make a knot, okay? And I'm making a knot by making a loop and going once, twice. You could even go 3 times around this loop and then pull really tight, okay, like that. And in this way you make a really secure knot. Okay, now I will go again through the center of my crystal. Now in my next step I will take 7 seed beads again. Okay, I have my 7, and I'm going here back in circle through my crystal. You see, I'm circling around my crystal. Now I have 2 rows like that. I'm pushing them next to each other. Okay, then I have 7 again, and I'm going here around this one, and now I have 3 rows. Okay, 7, go back. Now I have 4 rows, and I want to have 8 rows in total. So I will show you faster now. fifth row, sixth row, seventh row, eighth row. Okay guys, now I have my 8 rows, and this is the bead that I have here. Okay guys, what else you could do? After you added this bead, you could go and reinforce it. Okay, I'm going here through all of those seed beads and here through the central silver bead, and here through all of those, and my idea is to fix it to stay in a better shape. Okay, now guys, my goal is to exit out of my crystal and not out of those seed beads. So what I'm going to do is go one more time through one of those rows of beads. Okay, I want to navigate to the other side. And then I want to go directly through the crystal. Okay, pulling. Yes, okay. Now here guys, I need one of those 8 rows. Slide it down. Then I need one crystal. Slide it as well. One more 8 row. Slide. And then again one crystal. Okay, I pull this crystal really close to this one. Okay, now what I need is 7 seed beads. Okay, here I have my 7, and I'm going through this crystal here. I'm holding this thread because I want to make this crystal stay as close as possible to the other one and to the 8. Okay, it's almost the same thing that I did with my necklace. Okay, and now I have 7 seed beads going around here in circle, and I have here 2 rows, and I need to have 8 rows. Okay, I have 7. Go around here. Okay, like that, and I will make 5 more rows. I will make this look like this one, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and here I am where I'm adding my last 8 row of 7 beads. I'm pulling. Okay, now this is what I have. My earring is almost ready. Okay, and now I'm going to make some knots. I will go through some beads in this direction, and I will find a place to make a knot. Let's say here. Here I will make a loop and I will go once and second time through the loop I made, and I'm pulling. Then I could go up and down, reinforcing my work, and when I'm ready I will cut my tail thread and my main thread, and I will show you in a while how to add your ear wire. Okay guys, and now I'm going to show you how to add your ear wire. Okay, first what I need is this jump ring, and I will open this up. Okay, and I will put it here through this 8-0. Now I will put my jump ring at my ear wire, and what I do is that I squeeze back really tight. Okay, and now guys, my earring is ready. Okay guys, so now my seed beads and crystal earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And if you subscribe and hit the bell button, you will be notified when I release new matching jewelries to the ones that I have already done, and in this way you could make beautiful sets. Like you see, I have a tutorial for a necklace, and in this way you could make a beautiful set combining both. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you helped me only with this action. I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.